Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna jump right in. As you can see, I am so oily, so shiny. Like, my makeup has been on for at least 10 hours, I think. I put it on at like 11 a.m. and I was filming this around like 1 or something like that. So yeah, so the first thing I do is take my lashes off, of course, and put them back in the packaging. And then I take my baby wipes and my micellar water and I remove all of my makeup. I try to remove as much makeup as I can before I use like my face wash products. So you are gonna see me use like 3 wipes, which means I use 3 wipes and 3 squirts of products or micellar water, however you want to say it. Yeah, and this is just what works for me. The more makeup I get off, the better my face feels when I wash it. Like, you know, I can't wash my face with the makeup on. Like, I can't just, you know, pull out my brush and then put the product on there and just start washing my face with makeup on. Like, I can't do that. Some people can, but I can't. So I do like to get all of the makeup that I have on all the way off as much as I can before I pull out the spin brush. Now I take my spin brush, you guys. I don't even know the name of this spin brush, but I will try my best to link one that's similar down below. But I'm using the Destiny Boutique Natural Body Care Charcoal Facial Detox. That's what I use on my face to clean it. I found this at TJ Maxx, and ever since I started using it, like, my skin has stayed clear. It doesn't irritate my skin. Like, it's just like really good, because I've used some like cleaning clear products and they really messed up my skin. So when I found this, I was kind of like hesitant about trying it because I do have sensitive skin, but you know, I was like, well, I mean, I may as well try it. It's okay, it'll be okay. So I tried it, and ever since then, that's what I've been using on my face with my spin brush. So so you guys, this brush really gets the rest of the makeup off of my face. And after I'm done washing my face, I do wet it down. I didn't do it on camera, but I did go wet my face down. And then I use paper towels to dry my face, because you know, you don't have to use a real towel. And you know, sometimes using real towels, like especially if you shower with the towel, you can be putting like dirt or whatever on your face. So I just use a paper towel. And I'm going in with my witch hazel and some cotton balls, and this is just to like tone my skin and to, you know, get any bacteria or whatever is left on my face, to get it off. And then to moisturize my face, I use 100% almond oil. I don't use any like face creams other than like an anti-aging cream, but I use that in the morning, so it's not a part of like my late night take my makeup off skincare routine. So that's why it's not in the video, but you guys have seen it, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I just use my almond oil on my face just to make sure my face is moisturized, because you don't want to go to bed with dry skin. And then I'm using my rose water spray just to, like, you know, give my skin some life back. And then my rosehip oil, I put this on my lips at night before I go to bed, so that my lips can stay moisturized, because it's the winter time and don't nobody like no cracked up lips. Okay, that's like the worst thing, when your lips are like cracking, like and it's so painful. But yeah, you guys, this is my skincare routine. Really short and simple. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below, thumbs up this video, and subscribe. Bye, you guys. Mwah.